Hey you guys, it's Faith93 and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And I just want to say thank you to all of my old subscribers for sticking with me, and hello to all of my new subscribers. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you can stay up to date with my videos every time that I post. And if you are just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So I've been getting a lot of compliments lately on my hair from just like people around me when I go out and about. A lot of people want to know, what type of hair I have in my head, what type of twists are these. And what I have in are the Nubian Twist. Nubian Twist, some people even call them like spring twists. So I've had these twists in for going on 3 weeks now. So yeah, I put them in a few days before Christmas, and I think that they are holding up pretty good. So let me give you guys a close-up of what the twists are looking like. So this is what the twists are looking like up close. They're really springy looking. Alright, so the biggest question that I get is what type of hair did I use for these? So the hair that I use that I got from my local beauty supply store is the Janet collection, and it's the 2-time Afro Twist bulk hair. Of course, I will show a close-up of this hair so that you guys can see it. So I got the Afro Twist bulk hair, and I'm going to take this out the packaging for you guys so that you can see actually how the hair will come. Okay, so the strands of hair that you get are going to come looking like this. So they're just really springy little spirals. They stretch out. The length for this hair is 26 inch. I did not use the full 26 inch. I took the hair. So I took the hair, I bent it in half, and then I measured maybe halfway of one of the halves, and I cut it right there. So yeah, my hair is only maybe about that long when I twist it. So what you do when you get your hair like this, you're going to kind of pull it apart. You're going to pull it on it, and that's what's going to kind of create that puffiness. You just pull on it. I will show you guys up close exactly how I twisted it into my hair. Alright, so now I'm just taking that hair that I pulled apart, and I'm going to separate it into 2 pieces and wrap one of the pieces around, making it into 3 separate pieces for braiding, just like how you would a regular braid. And now I'm going to be taking my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Edge Control, and I just put this on my hair because it lets me grip my hair a little bit better. And now I am just about to start braiding the hair in. So I'm braiding it in piece by piece, and you're just going to continue to braid like how you would a box braid. So you want to braid it down a little bit, and then you're going to take the piece in the middle and separate it into half and begin twisting down. So once you get down to the end of the braid, you're just going to take some scissors and cut off that excess hair, and voila, you have your Nubian Twist. Okay, so another question is maintenance on this hair. For this hair, it's really low maintenance. All you really have to do when you go to sleep is put it up in a bonnet. Don't be like me and just go to sleep without putting your bonnet or scarf on. So yeah, all that I do to moisturize this hair, in my scalp, I usually just use my spray bottle that I have of water, and I'll just spray it all over my scalp like such. Just go through, spray it like that, and then sometimes I will follow up with a leave-in conditioner. Now the leave-in conditioners that I've been using so far are my Oyen Handmade Juices and Berries, and I will also use the I believe this is the Carol's Daughter Mimosa hairspray calm intention spray. So I got both of these from Target. Also, I will oil my scalp every few days or so. Lately I've been using just some cold pressed castor oil to oil my scalp. So that's basically all that I've been doing for my hair. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you are feeling this hairstyle on me, and let me know if you've tried this hairstyle before. And I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces.